Padcaster's Parrot Teleprompter is back, and better than ever. The new Parrot Pro Teleprompter Kit is a complete revamp of the original model that maintains its ultra-compact, professional design. With a length of about 7 inches and a height of 3 inches, the Parrot Pro turns your iOS or Android smartphone into a complete storytelling powerhouse. It can be attached to any smartphone or monitor that is up to 4.2 inches wide, as well as onto the filter thread of up to 24mm wide lenses, and its integrated 1/4 inch to 20 mount lets you secure the teleprompter onto any stand or tripod. The Parrot Pro is made from coated, durable ABS polycarbonate and features professional quality 30R70T beam splitter glass. This allows you to read your script and speak naturally without breaking eye contact. In addition, the Parrot Pro can be packed away as a single self-contained unit into its custom, padded carrying case. Also included with the teleprompter are 6 mounting rings, a Bluetooth remote for complete control over your teleprompter settings, and a cleaning kit. Take your interviews to new heights with Padcaster's Parrot Pro Teleprompter Kit, now available at a reduced price for a limited time only. To learn more about how Padcaster can bring your productions to the next level, check out onesourceofvideo.com or visit your local reseller for more information.